In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dual screen in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to give yourself more room to work while editing, turning on dual screen mode in DaVinci Resolve is a quick and helpful option. This feature is especially useful if you're working with two monitors and want to spread out your workspace so you can see more of your timeline, viewer, and editing panels at the same time. It can make your setup feel cleaner, less cramped, and much easier to work in. To get started, look at the top of the DaVinci Resolve window and find the menu bar. From there, click on Workspace. This menu contains several layout and interface options that control how your editing environment appears, so if you ever want to customize the way Resolve looks, this is a good place to remember. Once you've opened the Workspace menu, look for the Dual Screen option. When you find it, hover your mouse over it so the submenu appears. This is where DaVinci Resolve gives you the option to control whether dual screen mode is enabled or disabled. Now simply click on. As soon as you do that, DaVinci Resolve will switch into dual screen mode. If you have a second monitor connected and set up properly, the interface will expand across both displays, giving you a more spacious editing layout right away. And that's it. That's all you need to do to turn on dual screen mode in DaVinci Resolve. If you don't see the second display behave the way you expect, make sure your computer is already recognizing both monitors before opening or adjusting this setting. Dual screen mode depends on your operating system and monitor setup being active first. Also, if you ever want to turn this feature off later, you can go back to the same place by clicking Workspace, finding dual screen, and changing the setting back. This is one of those small adjustments that can make a big difference in your editing workflow, especially during longer projects where screen space really matters. A larger working area can help reduce clutter and make it easier to stay organized while cutting footage, reviewing clips, or making detailed adjustments. Thanks for watching. And now you know how to dual screen in DaVinci Resolve.